Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Jingtai ya ke yau Polo na ke bentaban penrung ya ki nongshong dukan harut surok ki badon hakeleng ke nong ba Shillong lakmi lenti ban Pyndep no Hapoh Bnai Jylliew mentau snem arjar khat khandai ya ke ne ke yau lamang pisa hajar sispa southway klor point arpho lak ya ke bala menjur bat bay pisa daga Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation jong sarkar India bat kad hado menta ya ke ne ke jingtrai lalaban Pyndep kumba prapusan na sispa AA Kabate CTV haba labut dien halor jing betrai ya kani ga yo Polo kapadon hanong ba Shillong kala yo jing tip na ka office jong Tnat Pynroi sor ba ka jing pelut na ka bentaban snai ya kani ga yo kadang long tang khan nyo point khandai fulai klor tengka ya ka jing betrai ya kani ga yo Hapoh ka Tnat Pynroi sor kala IT sya ka National Building Construction Corporation hakaba lamang na ka benta ban perung hado arspa khandai punyongut kinong de jing de ya ki bala pen pra ya ki dukan ki barim ki badan Hapoh kani ga yo.
This project is redevelopment of Polo market and it is housing 297 shops. All of this meat shop, fish and tea stalls and vegetable shops, and we are having 2 lifts and 1 ramp, and we have a sewage treatment plant and underground water tank and rainwater harvesting. These are the features of the building, and we are having full LED electrical fittings that will save the electricity, and these are the features. This will be completed by June 2019, the building part, and the roads and the other surrounding external development will take some more time.